Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda. قل يا أهل الكتاب هل تنقمون منا إلا أن آمنا بالله وما أنزل إلينا وما أنزل من قبل وَأَنَّ أَكْثَرَكُمْ فَاسِقُونَ. Translation: Say, O people of the book, do you blame us for no other reason except that we believe in Allah and what is revealed upon us and what was revealed before, and that most of you are fasiq, sinful, disobedient? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that you ask the people of the book that why are you angry at us and for what reason do you blame us? What shortcomings do you see in us? Other than that we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala without associating anyone with Him. We believe in all the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent and all the messengers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent. We believe in all of them. Are these the reason that you are angry at us and you blame us? This is very illogical because these are the good things and these are not the things that one should get angry upon. The reason of your anger is this, that you are yourself sinful and disobedient. You have left the Tawheed, the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you have selected some of the prophets and some of the books to believe, and you have left the other prophets and the other books and you don't believe them, and that makes you angry. That how come Muslims are believing in all the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and all the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are worshipping one and only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala without associating anyone with Him. And among the people of book, only few accepted Islam, and that's the reason it is mentioned that most of you are fasiqeen. In the previous ayah, it was mentioned that the kuffar used to make fun and ridicule the azan, the calling for salah. Something that is ridiculed could be due to two reasons. One, the action itself is able to be ridiculed, or the one who is making that action is deserving to be ridiculed. But the azan or calling for salah is neither the action nor the one who is calling for azan deserves to be ridiculed, because this is very serious business and very pure action. So anyone making ridicule of azan or making fun of it must be himself very short-sighted, or having very little understanding, or having very little intellect. Now if somebody is doing this ridicule, he is calling himself also the believer and claiming himself to have the Sharia of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Makes no sense. The anger towards Muslims of non-Muslims is because of the reasons that Muslims are worshipping only one Allah, only one God, the one who created the whole universe and each and everything. And the Muslims believe in all the prophets, all the books without making any distinction, and that makes the people of the book and kuffar angry, and they try to ridicule Muslims. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Islam and help us not to repeat the mistakes of the sinners and disbelievers. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.